Hello and welcome to SATRAP. I am Bobby and I am thrilled to have you here. This channel is my way of sharing the lessons, insights, and strategies I've learned over 2 decades in IT and Agile leadership. My mission with SATRAP is simple: to empower IT professionals and leaders to excel in people, process, product, vision, and technology. Whether you're looking to implement Agile, build high-performing teams, or scale your startup, this channel will provide you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed. The vision of SATRAP is to build a global community of IT professionals who support, inspire, and learn from each other. Each video will focus on actionable insights, real-world examples, and solutions to common challenges in IT and leadership. Some of the topics I will be covering include Agile transformation, leadership coaching, scaling startups, and tackling blockers that hold teams back. Whatever your role in IT, SATRAP will have something for you. If you are excited to grow your skills and thrive in the IT world, do not forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm looking forward to kicking off this journey with you starting January 15th, 2025. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. Together, let's create something amazing. See you in the next video.